Are you looking for the best crossbows under $500 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best crossbows under $500 that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Leader Crossbow Accessories Set. The next fantastic item in the sub-$500 crossbow group is made by Leader Accessories, which is well known for producing some of the most intriguing crossbows of the day. The fact that it comes in black is a favorite among archers and hunters because it perfectly combines all the wanted features. Users from all over are taking notice of the guarantee because of its lengthy 1-year duration. Up next in the 4th place is the Leader Accessories Crossbow Package 150 pounds 325 FPS Archery Equipment Hunting Bow. The following crossbow is made by Leader Accessories once more because it is one of the companies known for producing the finest crossbows for less than $500. It has distinguished itself as one of the most promising crossbows of the period thanks to its wonderful features and specification. This might be the ideal option for you to consider since it comes with a projectile quiver. Let's take a quick look at its main characteristics. The 3rd product on our list is the SAS Troy 370 Compound Crossbow Kit. The name SAS Troy crops up when discussing the manufacturers of crossbows priced under $500. It has become extremely popular among those who are devoted to archery or hunting due to its ideal speed and draw weight. It has every feature one could want, and the style is also very captivating. Second on our list is the SAS 150-pound Panther Compound Bow. The inventory includes yet another item from Southland Archery. This is one of the most well-known brands when it comes to producing crossbows that cost less than $500, so it has gained popularity all over the globe. Even though the crossbow's design is flawless in every way, its features make it even more fascinating. Finally, the top product on our list is the Plano Spire Crossbow Case. The Plano Spire crossbows are the best they can be and come in black hue. Although the product's design is very attractive, it is best to look at because of the total functionality it gives the archer. It is quickly rising to the top of the finest crossbows under $500 due to its excellent features.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.